If you want to enhance your security on Etsy by removing old devices from your account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your device settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Start by visiting the Etsy website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are on the main dashboard. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to view your security options, including devices that are currently linked to your account. Step 4. Review linked devices. Under the Security Settings, you will see a list of devices that have accessed your Etsy account. Take a moment to review this list and identify any old or unrecognized devices that you want to remove. Step 5. Remove old devices. For each device you wish to remove, click on the corresponding Remove or Logout option. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the device is no longer linked to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Etsy security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly reviewing your security settings is a good practice to maintain your online safety.